Guys, what's going on? My name is Louis, and God bless every single one of you. Today is September 18, 2023, and welcome to the Grand Supreme News channel. Guys, we have some huge information coming out. This here is a red alert breaking news. Now, officials order a 2-day stand down for all jets, both inside and outside the U.S. Big breaking news, red alert. We're going to see what's going on here, guys. Once again, Marines search for a missing F-35 after a mishap, and officials order a 2-day stand down for all jets, both inside and outside the U.S. I guess it's the entire country, if I'm not mistaken, guys. It's not only South Carolina, because this happened in South Carolina. Man. Give me a second here, guys. Let me just pull up something really quick. Also, I got this information here. I want to share it to you. Let me just read this one. So it says, until U.S. F-35 fighter jet is found, no one can deny the rumor of a landing in Cuba. The fact is, however, that a transponder break-off and a pilot rescue using the ejection seat absolutely do not fit into the usual pattern. If the pilot activated the ejection seat himself, the protocol stipulates that the jet should have been completely unable to maneuver. However, since the jets continue to fly, as if by magic without crashing, there are actually many indications that other forces could have been at work here. The most logical conclusion is actually a flyby hack. And I mentioned that there's a possibility this thing might have been hacked. Because the information, the breaking news updates happened yesterday. The pilot injected, the F-35 continued in the air, and then all of a sudden disappeared. Nowadays, there's technology that you could actually take control of certain stuff. There's a possibility someone got this thing. There is a possibility someone got it. We got stuff missing left and right. Under this dude that's running the Sleeping Giants, we got stuff missing now. And it's not only this F-35, but I mean, we're still searching for that huge batch of the, I don't know, what's the name of it? Nitrogen? I don't think it's nitrogen. I think it's something else. But it was heading from Montana to California. That thing has gone missing. And you could create a huge with that thing. So we got stuff missing. We are finding a whole bunch of powder inside the white HOUSE. Some crazy stuff happening in the year 2023. A documentary was broadcast on passenger aircraft showing how easy it was to hack an airliner like this and put it under the control of these hackers via remote control. The case is unique in the history of the Sleeping Giant armed forces. Or maybe it's happening within. Remember what I showed you guys? What Mr. Burns said 2 days ago? In order to take us down, you need an F-15 and some nukes. Well, this one here is not an F-15, it's an F-35, but you guys get the picture here. All right, let me pull this up really quick. This is breaking news. Please share the video. Now, a lot of people, some people saying, I'm still confused. It's an aircraft. It's still in the air. Military are looking for the aircraft. The pilot ejected. He was taken to the hospital. He's doing okay. But the aircraft is still in the air, and it's missing. They can't find it. Now they're asking us if we see this thing somewhere in the woods, or we see this plane somewhere, to call that number and let the military know. But as of right now, they still can't find that F-35 fighter jet. Now some are saying that it landed in Cuba. But Cuba Gov, did not respond to this and didn't say nothing. So again, we don't know what's going on here. All we know is now we got a 2-day stand down on all jets inside and outside of the US. So that means the airspace is not going to be secured if you kind of think about it. Airspace is not going to be secured. That means it's a good opportunity for those outside to do something cuckoo. But hopefully we don't see that type of stuff. But once again, we're going to see what's going on in this breaking news. Yikes. 2-day stand down for all jets inside and outside the US. Please share this video, it's very important. I'm gonna keep an update on this one here. So Marine Corps Commander Mr. Eric Smith on Monday issued a 2-day stand down to take place at some point this week for all aviation units, both inside and outside of the United States. Wow. The move was made in the wake of a mishap with an F-35 fighter jet in South Carolina on Sunday. Once again, that craft has not yet been located, though the military continues to search. Why does again? This story reminds me of the submersible Titanic. We can't find a submersible, but strange stories happening in the year 2023. All right, so a Marine Corps spokesperson said in a statement on Sunday that the F-35 pilots safely ejected from the aircraft. We are currently still gathering more information and assessing the situation. The mishap will be under investigation. No units are allowed to fly until they have a 2-day discussion about safety measures and procedures, the commander said in a service-wide email on Monday. Man. While the Marine Corps commandant said he has full confidence in the aviation units, he said he felt this was the right and prudent thing to do, given both this incident and another recent incident in Australia. I want to read some of these comments now. And I'm gonna search for more information, guys. Surely our enemies won't take advantage of this, right? Referring to 2-day stand down on all jets inside and outside the US. Surely our enemies won't take advantage of this, right? Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Wow, I feel so safe as the Red Dragon surrounds the island and we have minimal protection in our airspace after losing a bird. I'm so glad we paid hundreds of billions of TAX for this level of security. All planes down, we are looking for a bird. The Red Dragon's like, ooh, we could launch something now. It's like they looking for one of these land to hit the sleeping giant. Here we go. Cuban F-35 crisis. As Marines search for missing, okay, just copy and paste. So what's really going on? Yeah, I'm not even gonna click on that. Sometimes these people leave some crazy memes. Definitely hacked. And I said it in my other video, I feel like this thing was hacked. Someone got a control of it. Again, it's like the submersible. You know how they got the Logitech Xbox controller? Yeah, someone got it. Hopefully to track that thing down, but yeah, it's not good news. Absolutely not good news. And guess who's coming tomorrow? I think Mr. Z, the leader of Crane, he's coming tomorrow. I think Capitol Hill. He's gonna give a speech, and he's gonna bring multiple empty bags. All right. So as Marines search for a missing, okay, everybody just copy and paste. Perfect time for a false FLAG. Sleeping Giant Air Force already has the jet. Won't be until tomorrow until they announce it. Since today is the Sleeping Giant Air Force birthday or whatever, it didn't want to make a bigger mockery. They was testing AI with a older model F-35 is another reason it is being kept secret. U.S. Air Force birthday today. For those that don't know, these newer jets can stay in the air for nearly 36 hours before refueling. 36 hours. Give me a second, give me a second, give me a second, give me a second, give me a second. How long? Here we go. Here we go, guys. How long can it stay in the air without refueling? F-35 top speed, 1,200 mile per hour, places it amongst fastest fighter jets. Can it fly distance without can an F-35 fly long distances without refueling? The F-35 can cover up to 1,900 miles when refueled in the air, thanks to its impressive fuel capacity. I assume it was in a full, on a full tank. So yeah, there's a possibility this thing, this bird, can only stay up there for possibly 36 to 48 hours because it's not being refueled. It's still up there. There's no one on that plane. There's no one on that plane, on that aircraft. Excuse me. So it wasn't meant to stay up there for a long period of time, unless it's being refueled. But again, no one is in that aircraft to refuel it. Give me a second here, guys. I'm looking for more updates. But the biggest one right now is a 2-day stand down for all jets, both inside and outside the US. That's the biggest story right now. See, everybody's sharing the story right now. A lot of people sharing it. Breaking news: Marine Corps issued a 2-day stand down for all aviation units, both inside and outside of the U.S., following the disappearance of the F-35 warplane. We even have DEFCON. DEFCON has also put out the information. Actually, no, this is something different. Yeah, this is a breaking news updates too. You have the Bear Ministry of Defense claims pro Sleeping Giant Coalition MQ-9 drone Reaper dangerously approached a Bear Su-35 aircraft in Syria. These birds in the sky going crazy now. Stand down order a week after 9, you know what? Yeah, this can't be good. If everyone on autopilot, someone into it. I wonder which G did it. And the problem is, there's nothing on track radar, because if this thing was on track radar, they would have got this thing a long time ago. But it's not on radar. Nothing. I mean, it just completely disappeared. That goes to tell you that there's a lot more to this story. A lot more to it. All right, so I'm gonna keep you updated on this story. So far, this thing hasn't been found yet. It's a possibility it might stay up there for like another 36 hours. Depends how filled that tank was. Also, is the Air Force birthday today, so I mean, there's a lot of things going on. And the situation with Cuba. So I'm gonna keep it updated on this story. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please share the video, subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell for future updates and live stream. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. I will keep you updated on this story. Thank you so much for watching. For those of you that want to give a life to Christ, you can email me. My email is in the description box. Me and my wife are here to help many and to lead many to the righteous path, and that's the path of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. For those of you that want to send us letters or prayer requests, you can send it to me, Louis Santiago, or my wife, Jessica Santiago, at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida 34691. Once again, guys, $1 a month Patreon. We get to access to our live stream every Sunday. We talk about things that we cannot talk about in the platform. Also, I posted videos today. Those links will be in the comments box. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Put your faith and trust in Jesus Christ. He's the only way, the truth, and the life. No one gets to the Father but through Jesus. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time later. Peace.